Today I'm going to be testing out shoes for crews. These are pieces of rubber that go over your shoes when you work at like a grocery store or a fast food place and you have to have slip resistant shoes, but your shoes aren't slip resistant. So I'm going to test these out to see if they can protect your shoes and give you better grip when you're skateboarding.
So this is a product that's designed for people who work at grocery stores or fast food restaurants and are required to wear slip-resistant shoes. This product goes over your normal shoes and converts them into slip-resistant shoes.
I wanted to test this out with skate shoes to see if this could be a product that could protect the skate shoes and give them more grip. These are flat and they have really good grip on the bottom. These things are designed to help enhance the grip of people's shoes. They've got these tiny little lines that allow you to walk on slippery, wet floors without slipping. Another thing I think these would be really good for is if you're going to a muddy skate spot out in the middle of nowhere and you don't want to get a lot of mud in all the little creases in the sole of your skate shoes. You can just slip these on and walk over the mud, slip them off, and skate the spot. I tried these out with some DKL non-abrasive grip tape. They worked really well with the rubber grip tape on the rubber shoes. Then I also tried it out with some Mob grip tape, just a normal grip. And then I tried some really abrasive, really harsh longboard grip tape on another board, and they worked really well. They had more grip than my actual skate shoes did. That could be a good thing, or it could also be a bad thing, because they added a lot more grip on the sole of the shoe, but also they added a lot of grip on the top of the shoe. So when I was trying to do kick flips or 360 flips, sometimes there was a little bit too much grip and it didn't slide quite like suede does on the grip tape. That flick is going to be totally different. It's kind of like having a toe cap like Chuck Taylor's, but it's even grippier than that. So I felt more grip all around the shoe. That was really good for ollies or frontside 180s, tricks that you need some grip, but it made flip tricks a little bit harder. Another thing about the sole is these add a little bit of thickness to the shoe, and if you're somebody that likes to have a lot of board feel and you want a really thin shoe, then it might mess with your board feel a little bit. It doesn't add much at all, but it does make your shoes feel a little bit bulkier on the bottom and all over the shoe. It makes them feel a little bit bigger. They also look really stupid. The best thing about this product is that these things definitely save your shoes. So this product is going to save the sole of your shoe from getting worn down and getting holes in it. It's also going to save the side of your shoe and the toe from getting holes in it. So your skate shoes could last forever if you keep replacing the shoes for crews on top of your shoe. I skated these things for several days and I don't see any wear on the rubber, so they definitely work as a product to protect your skate shoes. I got these for free, but I looked on the internet and they're only about $13. So I definitely think these are worth it. I think they can protect your skate shoes and give you a little bit more grip if you need more grip for a certain trick. Also, the good thing about these is you can put them on when you need them and you can take them off when you don't need them. So if you're practicing flip tricks, you can put them on, save your shoes. Then if you're going back to skating mini ramp, it's something that doesn't tear up your shoes, then you can take them off and you can still have that good board feel. So the option to take these off and put them back on whenever you need them, easy, without having to take your shoes off, is definitely a plus for this product. I started skating these a little over a week ago, and then in the middle of filming for this video, I saw that Braille put out a video about some type of product that's designed for skate shoes. It's kind of like these shoes for crews. It slides on top of your shoes. I think it was called Hookah or something like that. I'm gonna have a link to that product in the description below if I remember to put it there. So definitely check that out, and check out the Shoes for Crews. I think they're a good product. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and just videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.
In the end, you can take it all.